Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro tutorial for creating a bill payment on multiple bills. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to create a bill payment along with credits and prepayments and discounts applied. And I'll show you some tips and tricks to make things a little bit easier. So I'm at the bill payment module, and let's say I want to pay off several bills off at once. So what I'll do is I'll select my accounts payable, my vendor that I want to pay off. Let's say I have a bunch of bills from multiple vendors. I'm going to hit refresh. It's going to pull up all the bills. I can also even do an advanced search here for additional bills if I really want to narrow down my search. For now, let's just keep it like this. And what I can actually do is, let's say if I wanted to pay off these bills in total, I can just click here and you can see the pay amount gets filled with the amount due. And I can do likewise with additional bills. I can also go options, reset all, and that's going to reset everything back to the way it was. I can also go options, apply amount to pay. So that's going to all the bills that I select. It's going to basically apply it's going to do this tick mark function for me for all the bills. Now, if I wanted to apply any credits or prepayments for a bill, let's say for the second bill here, I have a vendor credit that I've recorded, and let's say I want to apply $50 of that vendor credit. I can do so like this. I can also apply $55 of this prepayment as well that can go toward this bill. And I can just go apply credit. And you can see here the credit amount is 50 plus 55, so it's 105. So in essence, I'm actually paying 135. And that amount will actually get that calculated right here as well. I have the option of discounts as well. So if I've been given a discount by my vendor for the bill, I can actually put in a discount amount here, select the discount account. And now all I have to do is just make sure everything looks okay and basically click on pay selected bills. And before you do that, make sure you have your payment date, your reference number, and your payment method stored as well. So one thing I can do is if I wanted to make this a check, I can select check and make sure you select your account as well that the funds are coming out of. You can go pay selected bills. And now because I chose check, it's actually going to give me this window here for options for how to print a check. So I can tick this off if I'm printing the check later on in the day or later on in the week, and that'll actually add this bill payment to the check queue, the print later queue. Or if I have a check that I want to print right away, I can enter in a number of the check, or I can auto assign it based on the numbers that are stored in the system. It'll just increment it by one. So basically now I can go save and pay bills, click OK, and the bill has been paid successfully. Now, if I wanted to print off that check, I can go to the bill payment center, and I can see that this is the bill that I just created, the bill payment. And if I open this up, it's actually going to show me some details about the bill payment. What you can also do is go options and then print check, and then it'll actually print the check for you. And from here, you can actually load your check printer up with the blank checks, and then print away. You also have the option of printing off multiple checks from the bill payment center as well. And that's basically how you create a bill payment on multiple bills at once.